Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Today we are going to be talking about one of the most iconic symbols of love and romance. Balloons. Whether you are single or in a relationship, balloons are a great way to show your loved one how much you care. So let's get started and learn about the history, different types, and creative way to use balloons on Valentine's Day. The history of balloons can be traced back to the 18th century, where the Montgolfier brothers first discovered the principle of hot air ballooning. However, it was not until the 19th century that balloons started to be used for decoration and events. The first recorded use of balloons for Valentine's Day was in the 1920s, when florists started to include them in bouquet and arrangement. Cut to footage of vintage Valentine's Day cards with illustration of balloons. Over the years, balloons have been involved in many different ways. Today, we have a wide variety of options to choose from, including foil balloons, latex balloons, and even LED balloons. Each type of balloon has its own unique properties and can be used in different ways to create different effects. Cut to footage of different type of balloon being inflated and used in different settings. Foil balloons are made of thin metal film and they come in a wide variety of shape and sizes. Latex balloons of natural rubber and are more eco-friendly than foil balloons. They come in a wide variety of colors and can be used to create fun and playful arrangements. They are also great for creating balloon garlands and arches. LED balloons are a newer addition to the balloon family and they are quickly becoming a popular choice for Valentine's Day. These balloons have small LED lights light inside which can be turned on and off and change color. They are perfect for creating a romantic and ambience and can be used for both indoors and outdoors. Now that we have covered the different type of balloons, let's talk about some creative way to use them on Valentine's Day. Balloons are a great way to create a romantic atmosphere and they can be used in many different ways to do this. One of the most popular ways to use balloon on Valentine's Day is to create a balloon arch. A balloon arch can be used as a backdrop for a romantic dinner or as a way to surprise your loved one. It's easy to create a balloon arch using just a few simple tools and some helium. Another popular way to use balloons on Valentine's Day is to create a balloon garland. Balloons garland are a great way to add a pop of color to any room and they can be used to decorate a party or a special event. They are easy to create and you can use any color or type of balloon that you like. Another creative way to use balloons on Valentine's Day is to create a unique pocket instead of